jointly when we work together, we can break this. So all indigenous cultures need to come together. There is so many common points in different traditions also. They also follow many things. But we have some beautiful things. Siddha and Ayurveda, or like mother and father, they are scientific system. They are not just one thing. There's complete science and technology there. You can build from scratch everything there. All fundamental things in the world, even modern medicine, came from this ancient tradition. We did the first brain surgery. Agastya's law has been, thought to his disciple Darius, opened up the brain. Several thousand years ago, we did the first plastic surgery, right? Sushruta is there, so you can find out that this is the oldest tradition used. Agastya used 26 types of devices, surgical devices. So we have everything. Everything is not integrated. So the integration is important. Everybody is doing small part, they are healing, but not ready to integrate. It's called co-realization. When co-realization happens, leaving up all the ego, and we want to serve the humanity stuff, you're making money. That's the secondary thing. Everybody makes money. But let us combine together. Bring all the thoughts, ideas, we'll have discussions. Let's bring ideas and then we give. That will be the most wonderful thing. So here, I wanted to thank, don't want to take much of your time. So today I would like to, very delighted to have Dr. Vijay Kumar Shah as our Padma Shri, Dr. Vijay Kumar Shah as an honorable chief guest, or guest of honor, Shri Venugopal Chari, and then we have our other guest, our brand ambassador Chandu is doing all the things from there. Our guest, Dr. Shailaja is very wonderful practitioner. She has done some wonderful things to humanity, and she will be all, taking care of all the NC work. And Dr. Ravindra Kvedia, Dr. Habib Sultan Ali, Dr. Santosh Kumar, Dr. Millet Ram Babu, Dr. Shailendra Saga, so Dr. Devagna Sharma, and the actor Lohit. So all of them I welcome, and we wanted to honor the award of a doctorate award, because the doctorate award we want to give to the healers. Doctorate award, you don't have to struggle to go to the university to go to. You already are eligible. You don't have to go to this Western way of getting, your mind doesn't fit there. So we wanted to honor people with this PhD, master's degree, doctorate degree, everything. So this is an honorary, certificate we are giving it to Doctor, honoring the chief guest today. So I, welcome to, the chief guest to receive this award. And also we have 3 more people after that they will be receiving this award. Dr. They're going to become Dr. Pramila Chandrasekhar, Dr. Anil Nagdev, and Dr. Sunil Chaya soon. So they are also here. So so I welcome all of you today. It's not about the award. This is a small thing that we are giving. Award is not the thing, but you all are present here. That's very important, and you all can be a part of this. We can celebrate this. By giving this award, we are celebrating the healing. It's a healing festival. Okay, so thank you for that.
Thank you so much, sir. So yes, likewise, ladies and gentlemen, as you all heard, we are giving away with great pride and great honor and doctorate, yes, to our special guest of honor here. But before that, I request my console to please switch on some lights here in the auditorium. Thank you so much. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, with great pride again and honor from National Holistic Healthcare and Alternative Medicine Practitioners Convocation and Awards 2021 Siddha Veda Center for Transdisciplinary Studies honorary doctorate degree on this day in recognition of the successful completion of the prerequisites and in the virtue of the authorities of Siddha Veda Center, we request Dr. Vijay Kumar Shah to please come on stage. Padma Shri awardee, an honorary doctorate degree with all the honors, rights, privileges and thereto pertaining. So I request all the guests of honors, I request you all to please come forward and do the honors and let's felicitate sir with great pride. I request all the guests of honors to please come on the stage and do the honors. Please come back. All the guests of honors, please. And I would like to request Sri Venu Gopalchari, National Delegate for Telangana State, sir, to please come on the dais and join us and do the felicitation. Once again, I request all our delegates, our guests to please come on the stage and join us. I request Dr. Malik sir to please come on the stage and join us as well. And now I request Dr. Chandu sir to please come forward and do the honors. Can I hear a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Sabhi please हाथ लगा दीजिए. Everybody please move over your hand and please join up.
Sir. Sir, close it.
And here is the certificate, so please give it to him.
Sir, Katran, sir.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir, ready?
And yes, we have one more Lifetime Achievement Award for sir, ladies and gentlemen. And this is in the memory of late Sri Bhagwan Raja Surya Devara by Ayur Marma and Yoga Mudra Wellness. So yes, this is the Lifetime Achievement Award presented to sir one more time. Thank you. Sir Harika, please come forward and do the honors. Sir, there is a special gift for you from Dr. Harika. Lovely.
Sit, sit. Sit. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Dr. Harika. Likewise, Vijay sir, I request you to please address the audience. Everybody are waiting to hear your voice here, and you addressing everyone here. So, ladies and gentlemen, one more time, can I get a round of applause for the legendary Vijay sir?
Namaskar. Today I am very happy that at the Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, the Andhra has given me a big honor. First honor has given to me by the Narsiya Rao from Andhra, so the Padma Shri. And this today, what you have given me the doctorate, I think it is the same equivalent to the Padma Shri. I am very happy. You know, Andhra, it is an all historical place. The Telangana, Andhra, it is same. It is we are Indians. But Andhra people, they are given the tricolor to our country. It is a great thing. And today, I'll tell you, this about 100 years back, my grandfather, he went with Mahatma Gandhi from Belgaum in Karnataka. They worked together for till the independence. My elder brother, mother, everybody was working in the for the nation. And after the nation independence, our family working for Harijan Seva, Sarvodaya and Bhudana. And I am working for the child welfare. The last 55 years, I done the work right from Himalaya to Kanyakumari, Andaman to Nicobar, all states and union territories of our country, and plus 28 other countries. So far, I given health education to the more than 47 lakh patients throughout the world. My aim, today, somebody told me, my son, he told me, what has nothing to do with your Siddha and this thing. I say every pathy has got importance. People, they don't know the value. Without knowing the value, they say Siddha is not good, Ayurveda is not good. Without knowing the things. And I think, as a medical practitioner, I was advisor to the government of India. I started Health Checkup of India from 1995. I am the pioneer of a health checkup of awareness. I think the Siddha, I welcome the Siddha people to come to the Maharashtra and start a Siddha college. We will try to give all possible help. We got so many DY party, you see the Patangrao Kadam, so many institutes are there. So Siddha has got very good future. And our aim is to give health education to the people. Whatever the pathy you give, you should have only the, what I think, the limitation. Every pathy has got a good result, but sometimes we claim for everything. Even suppose somebody has got hernia and he is going to be burst, but in between we can help him to reduce the intensity, but we have to hand over to the surgeon. In India, we got a lot of old heritage. In the Takshashila University, we had a medical college which was a 7 years course. 7 years course, and you're surprised, the fee at that time was 1,000 gold coins. It was not that cheap. And out of 1,100 students used to be graduated. Then, through knowledge of, the Jivaka, who was the follower of Gautam Buddha, he was knowing the cranial surgery. What that is the brain surgery he was knowing. So many things there. They had an experience like something like the Bishak Raja, the tree. If you stand behind that, you can do something like a screening. We got a lot of heritage, and actually all medical, Ayurveda, Siddha, all the books we don't have here, you will get at the British Library and other things, you know. The British people, and they took it all things. They say that we say Indian surgery, they say Indian surgery for the plastic surgery. So we got very good, this is a very good gathering. I am seeing the people from different patches, those are doing good work. I congratulate them, and once again, I think it is a need in the medical college that they should be the part and parcel of maybe knowledge of Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, all the things, you know. And so that we can use the thing. Suppose something is good, say the natural therapy, nature therapy. What Gandhi used to say, you know, he used to put a mud, the wet mud on the face, and the swelling used to be suspect. So we are doing the same thing. We are asking the patient after doing some dental surgery, you to apply the eyesight. It is all from nature, and you have to be dependent upon nature. And in India, you are surprised, the turmeric. Turmeric is sold as in Singapore. I saw in the capsule form, where daily we are using the turmeric. And luckily from Kadapa, my father was a great businessman of the turmeric. But turmeric has so many good values. All the whatever were in the cooking were putting the clothes or anything, everything has got something medical value, which they don't have European countries. Say in the olden days, my father or your father or grandfather used to say, go to the temple, go to the Ganesha or the temple. What is the reason? So he will get a natural sunlight, vitamin D, natural. Now we take a capsule tablet of vitamin D. So we should follow our Indian culture. I think this gathering, I am very, very happy that honor me with doctorate. It is in my lifetime. I will remember this thing. Thank you again. Thank you again. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Andhra, Jai Telangana, Jai Siddha.
Thank you so much, sir. And I request now Venu sir to please come forward and join us. Venu sir, please come.
Today, chief guest of function, Dr. Vijay Kumar Shah, Padma Shri Award, and today, with the great pride and honor for the organization like Nation Holistic Healthcare and Alternative Medicine, award to Honorable Dr. Vijay Kumar Ji. Really, it's a great privilege for all of us, those in the dais and off the dais, for facilitating such personality in this age also. All came from Bombay and he addressed our gathering and they have taken this honorary award from the organization. Really, I congratulate him on behalf of myself and on behalf of the Telangana government to take this privilege and involve in the and respected dignitaries and dais, and congratulate to all the awardees and box of different faculties, alternative medicines and COVID warriors, those who served in the COVID recent COVID, first COVID, second COVID, and awards are given for their wonderful services to from various organizations. Really, I congratulate. And presently on the dais, doctors also there, and the government of India and the government of Telangana, Andhra, almost all they declared the COVID warriors and they facilitated to municipal employees and police employees, doctors, and social representative, those who worked in first COVID, second COVID. You know, after plague, I think it is a first plague virus entered in our India, and they taken many lives, especially second COVID wave. At the time of the COVID events, I think there is no protocol, no medicines actual fine. After the ICMR and from our side, Indian side and WHO, day by day they give the protocol medicines. And first COVID, second COVID, a lot of difference. First COVID, you don't find a mask and sanitizer and remdesivir injections. But later, after studying cases, case, second wave, I think after reading so many cases suggested by the doctors by giving the protocol therapy. And respective governments also did maximum services by providing all the facilities, whatever the facilities from the government side, government of Telangana also provided. And 4-lane saturation hospitals also, they taken care, and nearly 17 hospitals in Telangana, they identified as the COVID centers, including this Gandhi and also the Gachibowli Hospitals, Chest Hospital. Whoever the case comes from the rural area, naturally hospitals are given to the Gandhi Hospital. And there I think most of the doctors and nurses and almost all 24 hours they work to protect the patient. Really I think their services are tremendous. Including corporate hospitals, so they did maximum services, almost all hospitals. But anyhow, first COVID, second COVID, anyhow they still cope up. There is a lot of rumors that third wave may come, but the virus not revealed that. They told the virus not told to me and also doctors also, I am coming. But though we have to keep our mask and we have to protect ourselves from the virus, because most of the vaccination done by the government of India and government of Telangana, in almost all public are taken. But problem is that 12 to 18 years only the problem. That's why the WHO and ICMR are telling guidelines that there is a possibility to affect the COVID virus between for this age group. So I request all the parents, I think most of your doctors and practicing alternative medicines, you know how to cope up the medicine and how to overcome the but don't send the children without mask and without sanitizer, and also don't give food order from the KFC and some days at least. You have to take the food in the house only, and you have to follow older traditions, what our grandpa followed us. I think almost all educated, you are taking the care. But thing is, we are the government of Telangana, I am appealing you to prevent and to protect your children to arrest the third wave, whatever whether will come or not, I don't know. And Dr. Vijay Kumar ji mentioned about the alternative medicine. Most of the medicines, including allopathy, because for surgical cases or any emergencies, generally compensate the patient with allopathy only. And there is a traditional medicines are there in India. Because in Dharmantari, you know, Dharmantari Arjun, we came back allopathy, injection to allopathy, alternate medicines like Siddha and Ayurveda, homeopathy, naturopathy. Most of the prominent eminent doctors also from different fields. They also give the medicines to prevent COVID and also part of treatment also. Except in Indian medicine, but think I submit that except the steroids. If you don't use the steroid, naturally almost all the alternate medicines are very wonderful. Because in addition to allopathy, because India is there, almost 130-140 billion population is there. And they require in addition to allopathy alternate medicines also, because they can meet all the necessary, whatever the ailments they are suffering. I think they require almost alternate medicines and as like allopathy. And the government of India and the government of Telangana also giving a lot of preference to the Ayush department, and especially Honorable Prime Minister Modi also given a lot of preference for the Ayurveda, and they are giving funds for the research sectors in Ayurveda and Homeopathy. Anyhow, this is a nice move, and Dr. Vijay Kumar ji Shah, he presented here on behalf of the organization, and he revealed that about alternative medicine, how it will function, how it works. Really, I congratulate all the members who about this gathering here, because after COVID, I think first time we are seeing such gatherings. Really congratulate that Vijay and almost all organizers for organizing such wonderful personalities. Really congratulate award winners on the occasion. Thank you very much.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I request Abhinav to please come forward and hand over in the dice to him for some announcement here.
Yeah, very good evening. So I am here to present awards for the people who have done excellent work in the field of yoga. In the time of pandemic, everybody is worried about COVID. He is a light to everyone. He has organized many virtual programs and brought all the yoga teachers under one umbrella. He is Dr. Yugandhra Pillai Garu, founder of Surya Yoga Foundation, best yoga inspirator.
So, I request Vijay sir also to please do the honors and all the guests present on the stage. And yes, can I hear a round of applause from my audience here, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you.
Next, more than his name, he is known as Mudra Brahma. He has healed more than 3 lakhs people with the simple Mudra techniques, and he is our Hasta Mudra Brahma. Dharmi Pragata Prakash Rao garu. The Hasta Mudra Brahma, Dharmi Pragata Prakash Rao garu. The senior most yoga teacher. The next is the world karate champion and a renowned yoga master. He has written more than 40 books in yoga and is very fluent in 8 languages. Yes, Sampath Kumar garu. Next, see, brain is strong, body is strong. He is known as Brain Yogi. Our Brain Yogi is Srinivas garu.
And yes, along with that, we have a book launch on the stage, Magic of Hasta Mudras by Abhinav. So Abhinav, many congratulations. And I request all the delegates to please hold one by one the brochures here. Along with that, ladies and gentlemen, I request the other 2 delegates to join us on the stage. Mr. Lohit, actor anchor, along with the Sub-Inspector of Police, Mr. Arun Garu. Please come on the stage and join us. They are the special chief guests and guest of honors for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. लोहित एंड अरुण जी ने काफ़ी हेल्प किए हैं. लोहित जी ने काफ़ी शोज ऑर्गेनाइज किए हैं. उन्होंने होस्ट भी किए इवेंट्स एंड वी हैव सीन हिम इन a lot of shows and he has helped a lot of members as well. And it's our pleasure and honor to have both of them on the dais with us. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, give us some round of applause for our guests here.
Sir, 11, sir. One more.
And we have Siddha Veda brooches as well. So one by one, please give it to all the guests. Let me all tell you that this book is written by Mr. Abhinav. Thank you so much, Abhinav, for coming up here and joining us. And also, Dr. Swapna ji is here on the dais, Mrs. India World 2019 with us here tonight. Thank you so much for joining, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Ready? Sir, okay, sir. Sir. Sir, concentrate. Yes. Okay, sir. Ready? Ready, sir? Sir. 1 minute. Sir. Okay, sir.
Thank you so much, and likewise I request Chandu sir to please felicitate all our guest of honors here on the stage. And after the felicitation, one by one, all the chief guests, the guest of honors may proceed to their seats. Thank you.
Sir, madam, madam, sir. Sir, madam.
And now I request Vamsi sir, the organizer of this amazing event, along with Dr. Chandu sir, to please do the honors and felicitate all our guest of honors. Sit. So one by one, so please come forward. Yes, can I hear some rounds of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Felicitating Sri Venugopal sir. Thank you so much sir for your presence here. Thank you. Along with one by one, I request the organizers to please felicitate our guest of honors for tonight.
సార్ కొంచెం ముందుకు వచ్చేయండి. సార్ సార్ కొంచెం ముందుకు రండి సార్. కొంచెం ముందుకు రండి. మేడం
Thank you so much. Next, sir, please. And the guest of honors who have received the mementos may proceed down. We are heading towards the categories for the awardees, special categories. So I request the guest of honors to please proceed down if you have received the mementos from the organizers here. And I know all the audience here are waiting for the awards. Please be patient for some more time. Within just 5 minutes, we are starting up for the special categories here. Yes, the very famous Rohit sir is here in between us, ladies and gentlemen. Can I have some claps? Thank you so much, sir, for coming and joining us here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your tremendous support for all the people when we faced COVID. During the COVID, you have done a lot of things for the people here. Thank you so much for that. And Guru ji के लिए भी बोल जाए थोड़ी सी तालियां यहाँ पे. Thank you so much for coming up here and joining us, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Sir.
Arun sir, please, a very special guest for today's event. Arun sir, your contribution to the society is wonderful. Thank you so much for coming and joining us, ladies and gentlemen. Let me not tell you that he's on duty, by the way, but he has taken out time and he is here with us. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all the guests of honors and special visitors. Thank you so much for coming and joining us here. All the guests of honors may proceed on their seats now. Thank you. I request Venugopal sir to please be on the stage for the next set of categories, felicitation, and Shah sir as well. Next, I request all the guests of honors to please be proceed towards your seats. We are starting up the awards now. I request the volunteers to please remove the chairs from the stage. Dr. Apurva ma'am is here. So I request ma'am to please come on the stage. She just joined us. So Venugopal sir, please do the honors.
కొంచెం ఉంటారు సార్ రెడీ సార్ కొంచెం క్లోజ్ సార్ సార్ సార్
Yes, of course. Abhishek के लिए भी एक हो जाए यहाँ पे मोमेंट. Thank you Lord. Abhishek for being a wonderful management team. Thank you. Please. We're going to call them again. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, I know you all are waiting for the awards. But before that, can I see all the hands up in the air? Can you all just put your hands up in the air? All the awardees here, all the members, all the audience. Sir, guttier claps for Delhi. Please, come on. I want some energy. Come on. यहाँ पे लोग बिल्कुल हाथ नहीं उठा रहे और जब तक आप लोग हाथ नहीं उठा के क्लैप करोगे हम आपको अवार्ड नहीं देने वाले. So पर जोर से all of you together, come on, can I see all the hands up in the air? Whoa, are you guys ready? All right, so ladies and gentlemen, the first certificate is for some special categories here. Asra team, where are you guys? Can I see Asra team people? Hands up in the air, yes. Asra, can you all say hi to everybody here in the auditorium? Hello. All right, so the first certification is proudly presented to G. Sri Devi, the Best Consumer Rights Protector Award. I request her to please come on the stage and join us quickly. If you are here with us, please come forward and join us. G. Sri Devi. Along with it, I request Karimila Venkateshwar Rao, Best Consumer Rights Protector Award, Alternative Medicine Practitioners Convocation and Awards 2021. Venkateshwar Rao, one by one, please come forward and join us here. I'm announcing the names here. I request you please come forward and join us. Hello ma'am, welcome. Please one by one do it. And I want some much music with please console. I want some nice music here. Many congratulations. I request Venkata Jayaram Prasad also to please join us, come forward and join us and receive the certificate. Best Consumer Rights Protector Award, Venkata Jayaram Prasad. I request quickly all the members to please call your names and please come soon here on the stage. Dharya, yes. Please come forward and join us. Yuvraj, Mr. Yuvraj, Best Consumer Rights Protector Award. I request you as well to please come forward and join us. Yuvraj.
Sir.
Krishna Vedi Garu, we were watching final stage final. Please, I request Krishna Vedi to award the Best Consumer Rights Protector Award. I request you, ma'am, to please come on the stage. She's already there, yes. Men are always there, I feel, you know. The ladies are all active here. The next PV Surendra Nath, the Best Consumer Rights Protector Award. I request you, sir, to please come forward and join us on the dais. I'm so sorry I'm running up late here for the certificates, so I'm announcing here one by one the names of the awardees. The next is Sarita. Sarita Garu, we will watch in final stage final. Best Consumer Rights Protector Award 2021.